Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change templates in for your presentation of PowerPoint uh, and modify them. So first open your PowerPoint presentation and follow these simple steps. Let's first insert some designs. So this is, for example, this is my design. So those are, you can call them templates or just themes that you can use and search for the themes of PowerPoint, and you can download some and use them in your presentations. So when you are going to add some slides, you will find all the master slides become the same thing as your slides or as your theme. Or you can just go to the file and go to the new here and go for the templates. So those are all, or this is the library of PowerPoint that contains all the templates of uh, PowerPoint. So after clicking on presentation, you will find all the templates that are here on the PowerPoint, and you can just choose them. So let's, for example, choose this one. It will be downloaded and you can start adding on it. Now, as you can see, now you can start adding text, or you can just customize your templates and give it however you want. And if you don't like it, all you will need to do is to go to the file again, and you will search uh, for another presentation, and you will change the template and go for another one, and just search, for example, this. Suppose that I want this one, and I will go for it and create the presentation, and it will open this new. And you can, as every template, you can start customizing it and uh, give it and put in your pictures, objects, whatever you want. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.